Welcome to 588 Rosecliffe Terrace in London, Ontario. I'm Colleen Thyssen with the Thyssen Group and Keller Williams Lifestyles Realty. I can't wait to show you through this two-story, four-bedroom Wasko built home in a family-oriented neighborhood. Let's go on inside. The impressive and spacious entryway showcase an open staircase leading to generously sized bedrooms. An office, den, or study is located off the foyer and has built-in shelving designed perfectly for your home office and is ideal for today's entrepreneur. The gourmet style kitchen is the heartbeat of any home and is designed for entertaining or hosting special family gatherings. Equipped with stainless steel appliances, a large centered island, and a full-length garden door with direct views to the backyard. Access to a private deck and beautifully landscaped backyard. Peace and tranquility come to mind. Not far from the kitchen is a sunken family room featuring a wonderful brick gas insert fireplace, beamed ceilings which adds to the appeal and style of this space, and large glass designed patio door to allow ample light to enter the room. Adjacent to the kitchen is the oversized dining room, which will accommodate your entire family and friends for all those special occasions. The living room is equally as warm and inviting and is suited for relaxing or entertaining. Down the hallway, we will find a conveniently located laundry room and powder room. Upstairs is sure to impress with the master suite, including walk-in closet and luxury ensuite, and 3 generously sized other bedrooms are bright and airy. Home is where your best memories are made. Come see for yourself. This beautiful home is presented to you by your friends in real estate, Richard and Colleen Thyssen with the Thyssen Group and Keller Williams Lifestyles Realty. For your personal tour, call today at 519-495-1541. Home is where the best memories are made.